Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how much time is required to learn English language, because some people are claiming that you can learn English language in 1 month. Some are claiming that you can learn English language in 10 days. I think this is not right. And learning English, I think that it takes time, years to improve yourself. I will share my own story that when I was in my 6th standard, I started learning English language. At that time, there was no custom of teaching English subject from early classes. So when I was in my 6th standard and my age was 10 years, then I started learning English language, the alphabetical words of English language. And because at that time there were no person or family member with whom I could make the practice of speaking English language. So I think when you are living in such an environment where there no person is speaking English language, and you only are willing to improve yourself, or you want to speak English language, then it's very tough for you to improve yourself in loneliness. So I was doing my hard work myself, and I was reading the books, I was writing some sentences, and I was not doing the practice of speaking the language, because as I told you, I did not have any kind of partner at that time. So that was the problem. When if you don't speak, then you can't improve yourself. Speaking comes through speaking. As you know that little babies, first they listen, then they try to speak. They never read or write, they directly speak. So for speaking, I think that listening is important. When you develop this habit of listening, then automatically words would come out of your mouth, and you will be able to speak good English language. So develop the habit of listening. Listening is very important. And when you will develop this habit and you start speaking, then the turn is reading and writing. You should do hard work in all aspects, such as speaking, listening, reading, writing. But the important things are listening and speaking. If you want to speak the language, if you want to write the language, then you will have to read the books. You will have to write down some sentences. In this way, you will correct your mistakes in spelling, because spellings are also necessary. If you don't know the spelling of some words, then it will be difficult for you to write down. If you are writing some text to other your friends, and you are writing wrong spelling, then that will be the bad impact on your personality. So I think that develop the habit of listening, and this listening habit will improve your speaking. And do the practice of speaking with your friends, family members, or right now you can get the help from social media. You can make friends on social media through WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. There are so many platforms, and you can communicate with others. In the beginning, make the friends of your native accent, because if you make friends of foreigners, your accent is not matching, then you will face problems. In the beginning, speak with your native English language speakers. After that, you can make friends of America, Britain, other countries where the English is first language. In this way, I think you will improve your English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me from this video, before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.